everyone, and welcome back to this Oriental cruise, where today we're going to be looking at some chicken wings from a place called Pizza Pros. Now, as you can see, they didn't just give me 3 wings, obviously. I bought a pack of 12, and instead of showing you all the 12, we can just show you, a sample of it. So, it's normal wings. As you can see, you can get it in 2 variants, normal barbecue or very spicy, and it's fresh. Like and the reason I'm telling you that it's fresh is because as I was putting it on the plate, the sauce got in my hands, and I started trying. So the reason the water is there is because of the sauce. It's very spicy. So another thing is that after we have this wings and try it out, I bought something. It's gonna be kind of a double feature, and by double feature I mean I went to buy wings and I saw something weird. So as you can see, some wings, not it's the sauce is there, like it's very thick, I guess you can say. It's as good. It's thick enough for the sauce, for it to be sauce, not watery. It's very good. It's very well cooked. Right. Okay, so the sauce is kind of sweet, sour, and spicy. It's a good combination of everything. So it will make it taste very good, because it all complements each other. The sweetness kind of get undercut because of sourness, and overall it's encompassed in the spiciness. So number one, it's very hot. Look at all the sauce. It's a lot. The wings are very well cooked. Usually when you find something like this drenched in sauce, as you can see, it's very well, the crispiness kind of gets destroyed because of the moistness of the sauce. So it's good to see that the chicken is still crispy while the outside complements it, I guess you can say. It's a build-up of spice, I guess you can say. It's not exactly bam. It doesn't just hit you like that. It kind of builds up slowly, but it's very good. If you are in the mood for wings, you can go and get it in a place called Pizza Pros. They have a few locations. I got my wings in a place in Etobicoke. Very good. I recommend these wings. क्या तेज है, अरे ये भी गर्म है. So अरे so next up, I said it's going to be kind of a double feature, and it's nothing big, but I saw Kit Kat, and I saw Kit Kat, and I saw what? So, Kit Kat. It's matcha flavored, and honestly, I expected this just to be somewhere in Japan, but it's here. So we can give it a try. मतलब खाने के बाद में sometimes dessert तो होते हैं ना. Desserts are kind of necessary after having a good meal, is what I said in Hindi. So So it's a weird color. I mean, it is tea flavored. The whole thing is weird, so I can't exactly say what to expect. But here it is, Kit Kat. Kit Kat flavored. I can you can't see the logo, but I think I'm holding it upside down. But let's try it. Okay. I feel like I had this before coming to Canada. What flavor? Okay. Back home or anywhere you can look, you can find something called boba tea, bubble tea, something like that, and it reminds me of that. Not just remind, it tastes exactly the same. Matcha boba tea. So it really tastes like that. It's not exactly good, but it's not bad either. You kind of expect chocolate. It has a bit of green tea का powder वैसी खाए तो powder, not powder, leaves. If you just chew on some green tea leaves and have a taste of vanilla ice cream, it kind of tastes like that. चाय का टेस्ट आते. I don't know if this is healthy or unhealthy. ग्रीन टी है मगर शक्कर भी है, तो क्या बोलने का. So yeah, would I recommend? Not really. It's very strange. I mean, as an experience, sure, but in general, don't. If you want to try it, sure, go ahead. Honestly, you can have a better experience with boba tea because you're eating this and you're expecting chocolate, but no, it's kind of weird. So, anyways, yeah, that's my recommendation. These wings, Pizza Pros, very good. Even though it is a bit spicy. These Kit Kat, matcha flavored, चलेगा. Try करना है तो करो. That's all I can say. It works. It doesn't exactly work. It's there. I can get this. You can say it exists. If you want to try. But again, you will have a better experience with matcha boba tea. Anyways, thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, like, build up this thing so that it can reach to a lot of people, and well, they can come and see. Instead of going to these big chains, you can find like very local restaurants. Try something new. Anyways, thanks.